Welcome to the Friday edition of E-News Bulletin of IPR Department, and these are the top 10 news making headlines. On Wednesday, Honorable Governor of Sikkim Ganga Prasad convened a second review meeting with the state government on the current status and Sikkim's plan of action against the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. The Chief Minister, together with the Health Minister and concerned officers, were present for the discussion. The Chief Minister informed that in view of likely extension of lockdown period in the country beyond 14th of April, the state government is taking all necessary measures to ensure that lockdown continues to be smooth and with minimum hardships for the public. Health Minister Dr. Sharma informed that the process of setting up of testing lab in Sikkim for COVID-19 in collaboration with ICAMR has already begun. The governor urged the government to take the interest and welfare of the vulnerable section of our society on highest priority during the enforcement of further lockdown. Agriculture Minister Loknath Sharma, along with the officials of the Line Department, attended a meeting through video conferencing chaired by Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar on Wednesday. Minister Loknath Sharma presented an update on the state government's efforts in ensuring delivery of vegetables and essential items through SIMFED and procurement of production through 28 farmers' producers organizations. He also spoke about the ongoing delay in supply of materials under PMKSY scheme. Union Minister Tomar directed every state to set up control rooms with regular monitoring for smooth running of authorized vehicles carrying agriculture produce. In view of keeping all the borders secured during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, Sikkim police carried out fencing of all porous borders along the river banks of Rangpo and vulnerable areas of Hathichire, Khamdong, Arigaon, Aritar and Reishi. The fencing has been done using concertina wire fence. With this, it is to be hoped that unauthorized cross-border infiltration, which is quite common in these areas, will be stopped. Around 1 lakh beneficiaries have been identified for the food relief package, which consists of rice, cooking oil, potatoes, onions and other essential commodities. The state government machinery has been working towards delivering rations to the needy in this difficult time and is working hard to procure the relief materials, but also facing difficulties in maintaining the supply chain due to the large number of beneficiaries. Food and Civil Supplies Minister Arun Upreti has clarified that if some beneficiaries are left out, they will be covered in the second round, adding that the department is ensuring relief food commodities are given to the people listed by the respective district administrations. He also warned that strict action will be taken if any malpractice or discrimination is found in the distribution of government-issued food relief packages for the daily wage earners and underprivileged sections of the society. Distribution of relief materials has been taking place in all 4 districts of the state with continuous support of various departments. Proper protocol of social distancing and hygiene is also being ensured during the process. Gangtok and many parts of the state witnessed an intense hailstorm on Thursday afternoon as heavy rain along with hail and thunderstorm lashed the state capital. The town was covered under a white blanket for some time before the hailstones melted away. While photographs of beautiful Gangtok streets covered in hailstones quickly went viral on the social media, reports came in that several crops were damaged in the rural areas of East District. Now to give an update on the COVID-19 scenario in the state, all 48 tests have completed and the results are negative. With that, no test result is pending for now as the number of suspect patients is 0. According to the bulletin released by the State Health Department on Thursday, 2,684 are in home quarantine and 41 are in facility quarantine. So far, Sikkim has not seen a single confirmed case of COVID-19 as compared to the rest of the country, where the number continues to rise. As per the latest data compiled by Worldometer, India has reported a total of 6,412 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 199 deaths so far. Maharashtra continues to be the state with the highest number, with over 946 confirmed cases. One of the densely populated areas in the world, the slums of Mumbai, has so far reported 9 infected cases and 1 death. While most of them had contracted the infection from people who had travelled abroad, there is looming fear of community-level transmission in the tightly packed clusters. Globally, the death toll has reached 95,738 and the number of confirmed cases, both active and closed, stands at 16,04,855. Much to the surprise of the beneficiaries, the first installment of 500 rupees was deposited in the accounts of women Jan Dhan Yojana beneficiaries starting from 3rd of April. As announced in Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package to ease the hardship of the poor in view of the lockdown, a sum of rupees 500 per month will be deposited in the accounts of women Jan Dhan Yojana beneficiaries for 3 months. To maintain social distancing and to ensure orderly withdrawal of money by the beneficiaries, the banks have been following a schedule for disbursing this money for this month. Also, the beneficiaries are to use the neighborhood ATMs with RuPay cards, bank mitras as much as possible to avoid crowding at the branches. There will be no charges for withdrawing money from other bank ATMs at present, as per government directives. The coronavirus pandemic will push the global economy into the deepest recession since the Great Depression, with the world's poorest countries suffering the most, according to the head of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. Georgieva said that there was no question that 2020 will be an exceptionally difficult year. She said, if the pandemic fades in the second half of the year, allowing the gradual lifting of containment measures and the reopening of the global economy, the IMF is forecasting a partial recovery in 2021. She also said that the IMF is prepared to commit its $1 trillion in lending capacity to providing support to nations that need help dealing with the pandemic. As the last and final report for today, we leave you with visuals and images of our foot soldiers at work. While the general public are in lockdown and safely confined within the 4 walls of their homes, here we have the Sikkimese COVID warriors of various departments such as Energy and Power, PHE, Simfed, Milk Union, IPR and of course Health and the police, who are out in the battlefield day in and day out, distributing relief materials, conducting public outreach programs, creating awareness, providing uninterrupted power, milk and water supplies, and also ensuring that the health and safety of Sikkimese people are always secured. They are the reason why Sikkim has been the best performing state in preventing the spread of COVID-19 and ensuring minimum public hardships during the nationwide lockdown. That is all we have for today. Please follow our Facebook page, that is Government of Sikkim official page, for the most authentic news and information on recent developments in the government and the state. Thank you for watching.